Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the keyboard type and where the FN key sits. That matters because many layouts change shortcuts. Once connected via Bluetooth or USB, press FN with an F key to test basic functions. You are activating the alternate layer. If your keyboard has an FN lock, toggle it now to keep F keys primary. This saves repeated presses and lets you use F1, F12 directly. Make sure to note any secondary legends printed on the keycaps so you know which symbol each F key controls. You should map functions deliberately. Open your OS keyboard settings or the vendor utility and inspect the existing F key assignments. Once in the app, pick an F key, choose Media, Brightness, Window Management, or a custom macro, and then save that profile. If the keyboard supports multiple profiles, store a default and a task-specific set. After saving, test in real apps. Press F5 to refresh or your chosen macro to confirm it triggers the expected action. If something feels off, reassign and resave immediately. You finish by locking settings. Enable FN lock and ensure the chosen profile is persistent across reconnects. Then test every F key in sequence so you catch mapping mistakes early. If keys don't respond, check for firmware updates in the vendor app. Manufacturers often patch key scanning and layer bugs. If problems continue, unpair and repair the keyboard or perform a hardware reset per the manual. Quick tip: if only one key fails, gently clean around the switch and retest before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.